On question number 10, my first step is to isolate the x squared. So I want to add 4 to both sides, and then I want to divide both sides by 3. So now I can get rid of the square by taking the square root of both sides. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 5 over 3. Next I want to break up the radical into square root of 5 over square root of 3. And we're technically not supposed to have radicals on the denominator. So I want to rationalize this. So in this process of rationalizing, I am multiplying by the denominator itself. And then I also need to multiply the top by square root of 3. So this will make the top square root of 15, and the bottom square root of 3 times square root of 3 is just 3. So we no longer have a radical on the denominator. So my final answer is x is equal to plus or minus square root of 15 over 3. Or if you want to separate it, x is equal to square root of 15 over 3 and negative square root of 15 over 3.